Hi everyone! Today we're going to make a very easy and beautiful flower bouquet. This project is super quick and can be done without taking much time. Perfect for beginners. Let's get started. We'll chain 3. Yarn over. Insert your hook into the first chain, yarn over, and pull up a loop. Go through the first 2 loops on your hook. Now you see 2 loops left on the hook. That's our first unfinished double crochet. Now let's do the second one. Yarn over, insert the hook again into the same chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, and go through the first 2 loops. Now we've got 3 loops on the hook. Time for the third one. Do the same thing again. Yarn over, into the same chain, pull up a loop, go through the first 2 loops. Now you'll see 4 loops on your hook, and the last one, our 4th. Yarn over into that same chain, pull up a loop, go through the first 2 loops. Now you should have 5 loops on your hook. All right, yarn over once more and pull through all 5 loops. See that? We got a cute little petal. Now again, just chain 3 and repeat the same steps. 4 unfinished double crochets. I am doing my first and second. The third one and the final. Yarn over and go through all the loops on the hook. That makes the puff nice and fluffy. Now join the 2 puffs with the slip stitch, like this. We got our bud. Create as many buds as you like and arrange them on the stem with wires to make a stunning bouquet of bud flowers. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more.